As of my last update in September 2021, there were several top editing apps for mobile devices that were popular and highly rated by users. While newer apps might have emerged since then, here are some of the top editing apps for mobile. Adobe Lightroom, a powerful and feature-rich photo editing app that offers a wide range of tools and presets for enhancing and retouching photos. Snapseed, developed by Google, Snapseed provides a user-friendly interface with advanced editing tools, filters, and effects. VSCO, known for its artistic filters and presets, VSCO allows users to edit photos with a minimalist and creative approach. Afterlife, this app offers a wide range of filters, textures, and adjustment tools to give your photos a unique and professional look. PixArt, more than just a photo editor, PixArt also offers collage making, drawing tools, and a vast selection of stickers and effects. Prisma specializes in transforming your photos into artistic and painterly styles using various filters inspired by famous artists. Inlight, a comprehensive editing app that combines photo editing and artistic effects, giving users plenty of creative options. Touch Retouch, ideal for removing unwanted objects or blemishes from your photos with precision. Pro Camera offers advanced camera controls and editing features for users who want more control over their mobile photography. Pixelmator, originally an iOS exclusive app, Pixelmator provides